On September 12th, the entire Young Scholars group was gratefully invited to go in a classroom on a boat hosted by the LGA. The group got to control a remotely operated vehicle and fish up phytoplankton.
The entire experience was an amazing chance to learn about Lake George. The next meeting will discuss invasive species and how it can spread the word. We concluded with making a booth at the Fall Festival. This is something else we wanted to do.
George, it is mostly plants that are invasive species. Invasive species can come from plants stuck to George boats, and the plant is not indigenous to our area.
Invasive species are usually troubling to our ecosystem. They can mess with the food chain and no animals eats it. It lives here and then it grows out of control. This starts even more problems like blocking sunlight from plants that need to grow to be the producers on our food web.
As you can see, this can absolutely wreck our ecosystem, and we need to do something about it. If a consumer comes along to eat our invasive species, it will not be familiar with it, or at least its body and digestive system might not be. This is a problem.
If these consumers, let's say a fish, digestive system is not familiar with this invasive species, it might make the fish sick and die. Guess who eats fish? Bigger fish that humans eat. It won't completely wipe out our diet because we eat land animals and vegetables too.
But it won't be good for the water we drink. How is that? Well, if all of our consumers die, that means our decomposers die too. After all, they eat all of the dead fish. Well, the consumers all die making food for the decomposers. Doesn't that make food for them? Yes, it is limited though.
Eventually, the decomposers will run out of dead fish and other consumers. And since all the consumers died, there will be no more carcasses for them to eat. So now we only have producers, and since there's nothing to eat them, they will overrun our lake.
This will pollute our lake in ways where their natural habitat could control it. It can affect our drinking water and nearby agriculture, forests and fish and boating, and even our human health. When will this happen? Not suddenly, but too late to fix.
70% of animal extinction is due to invasive species. This can destroy our fragile ecosystem to bits. The director of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service called invasive species the biggest environmental threat to this country. It's something everyone needs to take very, very seriously.
The LGA is doing just that. Helping and volunteering can help in ways you cannot imagine. Even the smallest things can help in big ways. Try studying the lake and looking out. If you see something that does not seem natural, reach out to the LGA as soon as possible.
Why are us kids worried? Because this will affect our generation and all generations from now on unless we prevent this. We have to stand up and help in all the ways we can. But how can you help? If you have a boat and take it to different bodies of water with different ecosystems, wash your boat each time.
There are strict regulations about how clean your boat is. Make sure you exceed them. You can also help by just learning about invasive species. Awareness alone can help support the cause. Invasive species are known to be the largest environmental threat to not just the lake, but the whole country and the world.